South Africa is witnessing a troubling increase in HIV transmissions, especially among elder adults. Now, Health Minister Aaron Motsoaledi links this rise to a growing belief that HIV/AIDS is no longer a major threat due to improvements in treatment. Conversely, a recent study conducted by Wits University Sydney Brenner Institute of Molecular Bioscience indicates that older men involved with younger women, commonly known as blessers, are contributing to the spread of the virus. Now, to curb the spread of the virus, the city of Johannesburg has decided to implement extensive awareness campaigns throughout the city, with one set to commence in Soweto this upcoming Friday.
Umnyango wezempilo kuleli usuzwakalise ukukhathazeka kwawo ngenani lokuthelelana kwabantu ngegciwane lengculaza. Umphathisi walo mnyango uDkt Aaron Motsoaledi ukhombe ubudlelwane babesifazane abasebancane nabesilisa abadala kunabo. Umasipala waseJohannesburg usithathe isinqumo sokusabalalisa imikhankaso yokuqwashisa ngalesi sifo.
Within the country South Africa there is about around 1.1 million people whom we need to get them back to care, who knew their statuses of HIV. However, they are not taking treatment, or they are not on treatment currently. So the campaign is all about that, just to give an access to.
uMakaye ubesenxusa umphakathi waseSoweto ukuba usondele ngoLwesihlanu ukuze uzothola ulwazi olwanele.
The campaign is going to be this week, on the 16th of May. It will be at Maponya Mall. We urge everyone, those who don't know their statuses, those who know their statuses are not on treatment, they are most welcome. Just to add on top that, we will be having other services. More especially, we have your immunizations. You know, it's winter, we will be having the flu shots in there. We are having immunizations for the children.
Umnyango wezempilo uyaqhubeka nokuzama nokulwisana nokwanda kokusabalala kwegciwane lengculaza, kanjalo nokulwisana kokubukelwa phansi kwabantu abaphila nalo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu, ngise Auckland Park.